In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a LinkedIn AI Chrome extension to create better comments, posts, and messages on LinkedIn. We'll go through the full process from setup to actually using it inside LinkedIn, and I'll also show you how to make sure the content still sounds like you. The goal here is not just to let AI write for you, but to help you save time while keeping your networking and communication professional and authentic. First, open Google Chrome and install the LinkedIn AI Chrome extension shown in the video. During installation, pay attention to any prompts asking for permissions and make sure the extension is properly added to your browser before moving on. Once it's installed, it should appear in your Chrome extensions area, ready to use. Next, open LinkedIn in your browser. It's best to do this in the same Chrome window where the extension was installed so everything works smoothly. If LinkedIn is already open, you can simply refresh the page after the extension is added so the tool can load correctly. Now sign into your LinkedIn account. Make sure you're fully logged in and able to access your home feed, messages, and profiles. This is important because the extension usually works directly inside those areas of LinkedIn. Once you're inside LinkedIn, open a post, a profile, or the messaging section depending on what you want to write. The extension can help in different situations, whether you want to leave a thoughtful comment, create a post, or send a message to someone in your network. Choose the area that matches your goal. From there, use the AI extension to generate comments, posts, or messages. You may see a button, icon, or prompt from the extension inside the text box. Click it and let the tool generate a draft for you. This can be especially useful when you want to respond quickly but still sound polished and relevant. Before you post or send anything, take a moment to edit the AI output so it feels natural and personal. This is one of the most important parts of the process. AI can give you a strong starting point, but your final message should reflect your voice, your intent, and the specific context of the conversation. Adjust wording, remove anything that sounds too generic, and make sure the tone fits the person or audience. After that, post or send only, once you've checked the wording carefully. A quick review helps you avoid awkward phrasing and make sure your message is clear and appropriate. If you use this consistently, it can become a simple and effective way to support your LinkedIn networking and content creation, while helping you stay active without spending too much time writing from scratch.